you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, right here, we have Vienna's BarkBox for May 2021. Do you want to know what's in her box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna's BarkBox just arrived for May. She doesn't look it, but she's super excited. She was literally laying next to me in her bed, completely covered herself under her blankets, and I was filming. I filmed a few videos, and I just sat here and just nonchalantly just said, do you want to open your box? And within 2 seconds, she was up on, like, trying to jump on my lap and everything. So I'm like, all right, you excited. So let's go ahead and get into her May BarkBox. Let's see what's going to be the theme. Let's see what she's going to be playing with and what new treats she's going to be chomping on. So, Vienna's BarkBox. Is this your box? Is this your box? Oh, careful. Ooh. All right. So this one says Barkfist in bed. Instead of breakfast, Barkfist in bed. Ooh, how cute! It's like a little blueberry muffin or something. She's like, bitch, that's mine. But look at the inside of the box. How cute. Can we see what this is first? No? Yeah? Okay, let me read it. What is this? It says it's a stuffin' muffin. And this is a small size. It says, behind the squeaks, give this toy a toss or hide a treat underneath the crinkle wrapper and treat your dog to their favorite flavor. Underneath the crinkle wrapper. Hold on, you got some pieces falling off. I want to say, hopefully there's not more. I'm going to be finding that in your poop later. Because you like to eat everything. So, okay, so it's like a little cupcake cup. So you could kind of pull it down and stick a little tiny treat in there if you wanted, but the whole thing doesn't come off. Like, the whole thing will pull down, but it doesn't actually come off. You can remove that. But it has a squeaker and the crazy crinkle. So crinkle in here and the squeaker inside. But it's a little blueberry muffin top. How cute. You want it now? Yeah? Oh, okay. Hold on here. Hi. Okay, hold on. Now I find it. Okay. So, let me cut this. I always cut this little tag off for you too, so hold on. Is that your new toy? Ooh, ooh, is that your new toy? Here, there you go. Let's see what the other toy is. The next one, it says, find the squeaks. Keep playtime cooking with 2 squeaky pieces tucked in the crinkle omelet wrapper. Kick the recipe up a notch by hiding a treat inside for your pup to snuffle. Oops, that's a typo. For your pup to soffle, S-O-U-F-F-L-E. I'm not sure. There's 2 squeakers, a crazy crinkle, and it's a 3 times multi-part toy. So I haven't crinkled nothing yet because she's now busy playing with her muffin. Is it your little muffin? Is your little muffin? So this is what this one looks like. Oh, and okay, so it opens, and then here's a different, here's a slice of tomato, and then this is, oh, a mushroom. I'm like, what the hell is that? That's a mushroom. So you have a mushroom, you have a tomato, and then you have like the omelet, which you can fold up like a little omelet. Ooh, you're gonna have fun with this one. I'm gonna have to take like all the pieces off and put it back together before you play with this one though. But here. Okay, so I'll let her play with this one for a second while we look at her treats. Then we can see what they have for the whole entire month, and then she can play with them. So the first one is a pork recipe cut. Will make your dog a satisfied, sophisticated food critic. You might have to stop them from devouring the whole bag itself. And these are just little pieces. You can see them right there from the window. Now we have is Oinky Rolls pork recipe with molasses. It's a soft it's a soft baked biscuit. So here's this one. And then the last one says magic morsels with oatmeal and mixed berries. It's a crunchy biscuit. So those are the 3. And if you normally watch her boxes and you know that normally you get 1 long chew and 2 bags of treats, but she never eats the long chew, if I can speak. What else is new? She doesn't eat the long chew, so they put in a 3rd bag for her. So they customize her box differently. But if you get this, you normally get the 2 bags of treats, the 1 chew, and then the 2 toys. And then for this month, how cute. Here's all the different possibilities for the toys. There's like an orange juice with like a ball that probably comes in and out of it as like the orange. There's cereal. There's like a sausage link. There's the one she received. Here's another cereal. How cute is the little waffles? There's an egg. It was at a, oh, that one is cute. She got one like this, which was, I call them macaroons. People say macaron, whatever, tomato. But she got one like this that had those little, other little cookies down inside. And she loves that. She plays with just the box with nothing in it. So whoever gets that one, your dog will probably love all of them. And then, yeah, there's the one that she got. So that's a really cute theme this month. You got Barkfist in bed. Oh, look at that puppy. So this is everything that came in her box. And now I'm going to go ahead and let her down so she can play with them. So if you do want to watch her play with them, then here you go. Okay, you ready? Let's see what you play with first. Oh, you got your mushroom out? Look, this one squeaks by itself. Ooh, it's a big squeak. Oh, excuse you. Hey you guys, I just wanted to let you know that she's trying as hard as she can to play, but right now she's not feeling 100%. She's on medicine right now because I had to take her to the vet and they gave her an anti-inflammatory, pain medicine, and something else because of something that was going on. And so I thought she was feeling a little bit better, so I wanted her to open her box for you guys during the same month so you guys could see it. But it's just a little too much for her, so I'm not gonna force the issue or anything like that. I'm just gonna let her now go lay down for a little bit. This is the most she's played in over a week, so I'm happy with that. So I just want to let you know, hopefully next month she'll be back to her normal spunky little self, playing all over the place. But this month she's just not her normal self. She's not 100% just yet. So sorry, Mama. This is my baby. So if you guys, I don't want to drop this. If you guys want a little bit more information about BarkBox, I will let you know right about now. This one is the BarkBox. It is a monthly subscription of $29. If you do 6 months like I do, it brings it to $25. And then 12 months, which I should have done by now, is $22. And again, you get the 2 treats, the 2 toys, and then the 1 long, like, meaty chew. Then they have a super chewer box. So if you have a bigger dog, one that's more aggressive with their toys, they have a super chewer box, and everything is fluff free, and they are super, super durable. That one, if any of your pets actually destroy those toys, they replace them because that's how much they stand by their super durable toys. You'll get 2 full-size bags of treats and 2 meaty chews on that one. And that one is $39 per month. If you do 6 months, it's $34. And if you go to 12 months, it brings it down to $29 a box. And I will link it down below if you would like to check out the BarkBox, or if you want to check out the Super Chewer box. So that is everything that we have to say and to show about this BarkBox. Here's my baby. And yeah, so comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the theme? Wasn't it just super, super cute? The little like breakfast in bed with the little breakfast type toys. Super, super cute. So definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.